So we just arrived on the island of Roatan. First time here, and we made a beeline down to what's called the West End. And this really is the place on the island of Roatan. So these are our first few moments, kind of just what our initial reactions are to this area of the island. So what do you think, Becky?
Very festive, lots of families, which is nice, and lots of amazing smells. The food everywhere smells delicious. Can't wait to try it all.
Oh yeah, in fact we're gonna find a hopefully just find a local spot here in a minute. But this this road that we're on is, again, we don't know much about it yet because we just arrived. Let me turn around here, I'll show you something. This road runs right in front of the Caribbean. We're having to kind of be careful because it's a busy road. And behind us is what's called Half Moon Bay, kind of a local swimming spot. From what we've seen so far, just, I don't know, dozens and dozens of families here enjoying the Sunday afternoon here on this beautiful island.
Looks fun.
So we're going to show you around a little bit. And again, I'm kind of being careful here.
We don't want to get plowed over on video.
Yeah, exactly. But my first reaction is super local island.
Yes.
In fact, I don't think there's any kind of fast food restaurants here, anything like that.
Not that
Here,
I've seen.
yeah. Here on the West End, like no luxury hotels, anything like that. In fact, if you can see behind us, real local places.
Cute boutique
Yeah.
hotels and
Look how beautiful the vegetation is here. This looks like maybe like a hostel type place. So just a,
cool
I
town.
would, yeah, exactly. I think that's what it would be best described as. Kind of a cool town. You kind of would think a lot of hippies would be here, that type of people, right?
Yeah.
Real
Easygoing,
authentic.
Go with the flow.
Yeah,
Authentic.
yeah. So
Like local food.
yeah, definitely. So we can't wait to spend a month here in Roatan, and this is day one, and just our initial reactions on day one. So let us show you around the West End. Hopefully find a good place to eat and just give you a little feel of what it's like here in Roatan. We're about to get run over, so let me get out of the way here and let the cars come through. All right, so this is Half Moon Bay. You can kind of see behind us, I hope. A lot of kids just having fun here. And again, this is a Sunday, so I wonder if it's going to be like this every single day of the week, or if this is just kind of a weekend thing. But like I said, West End is kind of the busy place, kind of all the local shops and so forth. All right, so the main road here on the West End. A lot of different types of shops here, dozens of shops. One of the things I've noticed right away that's pretty cool, cars and people everywhere. No sidewalks. So everyone is just kind of walking down the street and
Very friendly.
Yeah, very friendly. Just met somebody from Australia. He's been here since January and he doesn't plan to leave.
He said he can't find anybody that wants to leave.
And again, this is just kind of our day one reaction. First moments in Roatan.
I'm starting to glow. Tomorrow it'll be a bun.
Oh, you want a picture?
Sure.
I told you, everyone's... Oh, the business. Oh, yeah.
There you go,
Yeah.
reef gliders.
Oh, the reef gliders. You own this business here? All right, what's the name of the business? Oh, nice. This is our first few hours on the island. We just got here 3 hours ago. So we'll be back. So, nice to meet you.
So we walked around for a bit and our stomachs are starting to growl, so it's time to find a local place that we can eat at. I'm excited because everything smells so good here. So I think it's going to be good.
Definitely. As you walk down this road, what would you think? This road is maybe a couple of miles long?
Yeah.
say maybe a couple of miles, not very long, maybe not even 2 miles, but just little restaurant after little restaurant, and like Becky said, smells so good. So we haven't eaten really a good meal all day long, so we're gonna find something right now and hopefully show you our first meal on Roatan.
Tijuana style. That's what kind of taco night style. 3 kinds of sauce. Green sauce, red sauce, and guacamole sauce. Burritos and gringa too. Gringas is like quesadillas, the same. Alright, my name is Douglas. Nice to see you, sir.
Very good.
Alright, this is my wife, Daisy.
Hello, Daisy.
We've been together 6 years in Tijuana. She only speaks Spanish, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Daisy?
Daisy. Daisy.
Granddaughter's name is Daisy.
Oh, yeah, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Qué bien, está bien cómo te hace el taco. Apóyate ahí. Okay. Now chicken and pork.
Chicken and pork.
Chicken and pork.
How many years have you been here?
This is guacamole sauce. Guacamole sauce.
All right.
We live 6 years over there in Tijuana. I'm from there.
Yeah.
And it's like guacamole sauce. Yeah, right. I got a green sauce and red sauce, my lady. Okay.
So we are getting ready to eat the Mexican tacos Tijuana style. Are you excited?
I am. They smell so good. oh, it's just the sauce.
Just the sauce right now. And you cannot beat the view. Here we are early this morning at 5 a.m. We woke up, drove to the airport in Cincinnati, Ohio. It was about 50 degrees. Now we are on the Caribbean. It's about 85 degrees. Getting ready to enjoy some Tijuana style tacos.
Street tacos.
Tacos no onions.
Awesome.
Right, and this is the guacamole sauce.
Oh,
If you want more, just call me. My name is Douglas, remember, right? Okay.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
Douglas.
meet you.
Thank you. Ooh, good. Look at this. Look at that.
All right, so this was $5 for 3 tacos. All right, Becky, take your first bite of your first meal here on the beautiful island of Roatan. Some street tacos.
Hot, very hot. Michelle. Very good. Very tasty.
And how about the sauce?
It's good. I like it. I'm gonna put some more on it.
Yeah, that sauce
Really
looks
good.
good.
Yep. Very good. You're gonna like it. Try to stay good with the sauce. She said this is hot.
Well, that was hot. Hot?
It's got a kick to it. It's good. That's really good.
All right, so that was a delicious meal. Now we're getting ready to head up to our condo and see what that's all about. We are actually staying kind of in the middle of the island on top of the hill. So it's not going to be right on the beach, but from the pictures we saw online, it overlooks the Caribbean. So let's head up the hill, find our condo, see where we'll be staying all month long.
Unpack and get in the pool.
Yes, very hot here today. It's like 85, feels like 95. When we left Cincinnati, it was like 50 degrees. So maybe that's why it even feels hotter than it does right now. But I'm not complaining.
No.
Love the heat.
Yep.
All right, so let's take off, see what our condo's like.
All right.
So we will be staying at the Seascape Condos, which is located right behind me. It's about a 10-minute drive up the mountain from the West End area. So Becky is getting us checked in, and so here in a few minutes I'm going to show you our condo. Looks like a beautiful place, and probably what's most beautiful is what's behind me. You can see in the distance the Caribbean, which we'll be waking up to each morning, looking out over the Caribbean, probably enjoying some coffee and just beginning our day in a relaxed way. So let's take a quick tour of the condo, give you an idea of what you can get here while you're in Roatan, Honduras. Like I've said, Roatan, Honduras is a small island located off the coast of the northern coast of Honduras. Primarily known as a dive island. Also, they have a couple of cruise ship ports here as well, and so it tends to be a pretty busy island at times. And you'll notice the pool behind me as well, so I'm sure we're going to be enjoying the pool while we're staying at this condo as well. So again, this is just day one. We're just exploring, kind of seeing what all Roatan has to offer. All right, so now let's go inside. I'll show you around our condo. So our condo is called Angelfish. And it's a pretty small condo, but looks very, very comfortable. What do you think, Becky?
I like it. Very nice.
Walk in, you see a nice little kitchenette here. Got a microwave, coffee pot, little breakfast nook.
Some Fritos we're munching on because we're hungry.
Yeah. This will be the cleanest this place looks in a while. Small refrigerator, so this is the living room.
Fresh pineapple.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, some fresh pineapple that we bought from on the way from the airport. Of course, here is the bathroom. Bathroom looks really nice. A nice big shower. Nice loud fan, which I really like. And then it's a one bedroom. So if anybody comes to see us, then there'll be 4 in this bed probably. I don't think anybody's gonna come see us though. So anyway, that's all there is to it. This is a nice condo. Yes, the view was beautiful. It is beautiful. And how much did we pay for this for a month?
Less than $3,000.
Less? I thought it was $1,300.
No, maybe like $2,500 total.
For the condo?
So,
Huh, we're gonna have to look that up. For some reason, I thought it was $1,300.
yeah. Well, you know what? You might be right.
I think it's $1,300 plus the flights.
Because we paid $700 the first time and then like $600. You're right.
Yep. Yeah, only $1,300 for an entire month on a tropical paradise.
Yep.
So, stick around for more videos and we'll show you more of Roatan. So that wraps up day one on the island of Roatan. We took off from Cincinnati this morning, 5 a.m., 50 degrees, and just a few hours later, we found ourselves on this beautiful island. Just explored the West End today, but looking forward to exploring all of this island in the month of June. So we hope that you will join us as we explore this beautiful island. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on that notification button. That way you'll be reminded of our YouTube videos, and don't forget that's all free of charge. So we hope you will join us on our adventures in Roatan, Honduras.